Teach. Good morning. We also have a teacher friend who will have a look to see if 403 is okay or not okay. You never clap for me. You never clap. Okay, sit down. Today we will play a game. Maybe it's easy, maybe it's not easy. Okay? We will roll the ball and we will throw the ball. So under and over. Okay? So number 1. Have a look. First we will line up 2 teams. We line up. We try number 1. Okay? Then we can try number 2. Underhand roll. Then finish, we could try number 3 and number 4. Overhand, throw the ball. Okay? So number 1, underhand. You can roll or throw and hit the ball. Easy. Easy.
No, easy.
Okay. Number 2, you will roll the ball inside the circle. Do not touch the big ball. Okay? Number 1, that's okay. Hit the ball, finish. Easy. Number 2, roll the ball inside of the circle. Do not hit the ball.
Oh my God.
Easy or not easy?
Not easy. Easy.
Okay, number 3, maybe this one is easy.
No. Easy.
You can use overhand, throw the ball. Hit the cone, that's all. That's okay. Hit the cone, finish. That's okay. Easy.
No.
No? And number 4, hit the ball. Hit the ball on the cone. Easy or not easy? It's hard. It's hard. Understand, raise your hand. Understand, raise your hand.
Understand, raise your hand.
Okay, so everyone. Okay, so we will go to the TED-hour center. Get your water bottles. Stand up. Boys, line up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Girls, line up.
器材组的帮忙，器材组的。好，美珍，那个放着，你来拿球。
Number 1, you can come. Nathan, you can help to catch the ball. Help to teacher Coco because throw here. Maybe this side. Ready? Hit the ball, finish. Okay. Ready? Finish. Okay. Number 2. Okay, finish. So easy, right? Hello, under. Okay. You can line up behind, Ruby. You can line up behind. Attention. Boys not finished. Boys not finished. You can line up behind. Careful. Leader.
Colin.
Attention. Teacher Freddy. Okay, eyes on me. Ken. I think today 403. Pretty good, pretty good. Good job. Who finished number 4? Hit the ball. Hit the ball. Who finished? Hit the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit the ball. Finish. Ken. No? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. Okay. 5. Okay. Okay, we can go back. Go.